Blaze. 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 All right, Lulu, come on. Come on. Come on, Lulu. It's a little bit too much. Oh, look at Willow. Willow's like, I'll do it. I didn't invite the budgies to dinner.
They learned to do that like 2 days ago.
All right. All right, Lulu, you want some? Come on. Please. Lulu, you want some? You better be quicker than that if you want some. You gotta hurry. Do you want some, Lulu? You gotta hurry up.
I'll get him over here. Come on. Come on.
All right. Here you go, Lulu.
Come on, Willow.
You want some? She's like, no, I don't want it that badly. Come on.
Give me that finger. Oh. Zeeby's chewing her feet again. Come on, buddies.
Do you want some? All right, I'll put it right here in case you want it. Do you want it? Yeah, I thought so. I thought so.
Willow.
Good job.
Come on, over here. Blaze.
All right. Yeah. Yeah? You like it? You gotta take turns, Zeeby. Zeeby, you gotta take turns. We gotta take turns, Zeeby. Hang on, hang on. Here's Zeeby. Zeeby, Zeeby. Here, come get it. Okay. Alright, well, whoop, you dropped it. You dropped it. Here, 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 here. Okay. Here you go, Lulu. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. Gotta be quick around here.